How do you sell a house that needs a lot of work? The selling process is already difficult as it is, but when you add in noticeable repairs to the property, it makes it even more complicated when you're selling a property. Inventory is now increasing, there are more homes coming on into the marketplace, and most likely your home that needs a lot of work isn't going to be the buyer's first choice. So today I want to give you 3 things that you can do when trying to sell a fixer-upper. The first thing that you want to do is you want to get a home inspection. You can get a home inspector to come into the home, go through the house, check all those things that a buyer would normally do during their due diligence process. So that way you can prepare and see if it's items that you want to go ahead and address before you hit the market, or if it's something that you want to just factor into the sales price when you're selling the property. The second thing that you could do is you could sell it to a bargain hunter, or what we call an investor. An investor would come in, take a look at the property, take things into consideration of the work that needs to be done, and would most likely offer you a cash offer for your home, which would make it quick and convenient, and get the property out of your hands. The final thing that I would recommend is that you be realistic with your selling price. A lot of times, if homes need a lot of work, some strategies that I've used in the past is that we've actually offset the selling price of the property, based on the repairs that are needed. A lot of sellers, have them come out and take a look at the home, we evaluate it, and then we can set a realistic price that a buyer would pay for the home, based on the homes that have sold and based on the repairs that you are needing on the property. So those are my 3 tips on selling a fixer-upper in today's market. If I can help you with any of the homes that you have that maybe need some work and you're considering selling them, drop me a message, shoot me an email, give me a call. My name is Rupesh Patel and I'm with eXp Realty.